In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Chispa Dating app. So the first order of business is you want to install the app if you haven't already. Now, you're able to install it by going to the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device or the App Store if you're on an iOS device. And just go to the search bar and look up Chispa. Then go ahead and install it and then go ahead and press on open. Now, what you guys are able to do is you're able to create an account using your mobile phone number or you're able to use a Google account. Now, for this video, let's go ahead and select on Google account. And I'll be right back with you guys. I'm going to press on a email to use on Chispa. Okay, then afterwards, it is going to ask you for your mobile phone number. So go ahead and enter it in. Then it is going to send a code over to your phone number and you want to go ahead and copy the code. All right, once you're done with that, then it is going to ask you for your name. So go ahead and enter it in. And keep in mind that this is the name that is going to appear in Chispa. So this is going to be your display name. Make sure that it is accurate or something that represents you. All right, then you just want to go ahead and press on continue. Enter in your birthday. So guys, I'm officially Unk now. I'm about to be 22. So anyways, you just want to go ahead and press on continue. Then you want to select on your gender. So go ahead and press on that. And you want to determine who you're trying to date. Then you want to press on continue. And it is going to begin creating your Chispa account. So go ahead and wait for it. Success. And then it is going to ask you to get access to your location so that they're able to match you with people who are obviously near your area. So press on just do it. And then go ahead and select on while using the app. That's the one that I recommend. Then go ahead and wait for it to load in. All right, then from here, you want to go ahead and describe your ethnicity. So I'm, of course, Latino. Then you want to select on continue. And then put your pronouns. Press on continue. Then your sexuality. Press on continue. And what's your intention? So this is 100% up to you. Then you just want to press on continue. And determine what type of relationship you're looking for. So this, again, 100% up to you. It really is up to personal preference. But of course, you want to take your time answering this questionnaire so that they're able to cater your results to the best of your liking. So go ahead and do that. Okay, this is so cool. So it even does give you the option to select your family origins. Dude, all right, I'm actually really happy about that. Okay, that's actually a good feature. So I am a Latino. And I'm not gonna lie, I do be liking the Latina girls, bro. Like, I be crushing on them a ton. So that's pretty cool. Here it is. I am Mexican. So just go ahead and press continue. And if you have children, I do want children someday. So again, you just want to go ahead and answer that. All right. Then where do you work? Go ahead and put that in. Obviously, it's 100% up to you in terms of how far you actually want to like go into this. So let me go ahead and just put in the school. Then it's going to ask you for your education level. So go ahead and enter that in. And do you drink? So there you go. Do you smoke tobacco? Never. Do you smoke weed? Never. Do you use drugs? Never. How did you hear about us? YouTube, whatever. And then bam. Then the next order of business is you want to add photos to your profile. So let's go ahead and add them up right over here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add some photos really quickly. All right, once you went ahead and added your photos, go ahead and press on next. And then you're able to go ahead and input a prompt. So this is 100% up to you. And then you have up to 3 prompts right over here. So this is 100% up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and put test. But obviously, if you're trying to like create your prompt, you want to make sure that things are honestly on point. So I'm going to go ahead and put Avengers Doomsday for the movie one because you know what? I'm really excited for that film. Anyways, you just want to go ahead and press on continue. Then you're able to select more things you're into. Then you want to press on continue. Then select on enable notifications, allow. It is then going to give you the option to become an elite member over here on Chispa. So this is 100% up to you. You know, this is definitely one of the things that people don't like about the Chispa app. Like if you read the reviews, a lot of people are saying that they do force you to like, you know, they kind of like push the subscription a little too much. So that is one like negative thing about Chispa. So again, just keep that in mind. But I'm going to go ahead and continue for free. And then bam, there you go, guys. You're able to go ahead and get started. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.